As Russia used massive amounts of anti-tank mines to try and stop the Ukrainian offensive, they allocate these far from optimal, with troops not knowing what to do with the excess, causing often large amounts of mine to be stored out in the open, making it an easy target for the Ukrainian drone army. As seen again with this FPV drone turning a large anti-tank mine pile into a crater, showing Russia doesn't learn from their mistake but keeps letting Ukrainian drone army to destroy large amounts of anti-tank mines, increasing the chance for the Ukrainian army to make a breakthrough, leaving a little less mine for tomorrow. That's all I have for this video. Please like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. Bye.